Good afternoon. I'm Mike Hennessy, Washington Academy Board of Trustees President, and I'd like to welcome you to Washington Academy's 24th Annual Trustee Tea and Award Ceremony. 2021 is the second year the Board finds itself celebrating the tea and its honorees virtually. Unfortunately, the pandemic continues to make gathering in person a challenge. However, it doesn't affect our ability to recognize the extraordinary educators and community service leaders within our community. During this pandemic year, it's more important than ever to recognize these individuals who have made selfless contributions in shaping and changing the lives of countless community members. As we look forward to an in-person celebration once again next year, it will be an honor to celebrate over a quarter century of distinguished Trustee Tea honorees with a 25th anniversary event. This year also represents a time when health and safety is on all of our minds. The Down East Community Hospital has been serving our community for over 60 years, continuing to grow its affiliated practices, state-of-the-art technology, and expanding its healthcare reach even during a pandemic. Today, we are honoring all of the employees of Down East Community Hospital for the provision of exceptional care to our community with the 2021 Distinguished Service Award.
Hi, my name's Holly Lord. I'm a registered nurse here at Down East Community Hospital. I've been here for a year and a half, and before that I was a nurse at Calais Regional Hospital for 11 and a half years. And I think it's important that we have a growing need for health care here in our community. We have an aging population. We're managing many chronic diseases. Patients are coming in sicker than they were in the past. They're receiving more medications. So overall, the care is greater than it was. We also have a hard time finding bed availability sometimes at our larger hospitals. So the more patients that we can keep here and manage here helps take that burden off the larger hospitals as well. We do serve many rural areas in Washington County, and I think people like to stay closer to home. I think their outcomes are better if they can stay closer to home. They're closer to their families. They're being taken care of by familiar faces a lot of times. And I think that helps the overall outcome for patients. Now that we are tied with Calais Hospital, I think it helps. It's no longer the Calais community and the Machias community. We're kind of united as Washington County, as the two hospitals in Washington County, working together to grow health care and to take care of our patients in the long run. Hopefully we'll be here for years to come, united as a team, working for Washington County.
Hi, I'm Carrie Cassidy. I'm a former ER director at Down East Community Hospital. I have worked at Down East Community Hospital for about 7 years. I started out as a travel nurse there in the emergency department and followed my way through to being the director. I'm currently have handed that baton to Jason Gavecki, I believe his last name was, but still I'm very involved in the emergency department and the community. I have been an ER nurse for 16 years. I am board certified in emergency nursing. I'm a member of the board of directors for the ENA for the state and also a state delegate for the Emergency Nurses Association for the state of Maine. I am an active participant in advocating for this community for emergency resources and emergency care. Go from here to Ellsworth or to here from to Calais or somewhere else is a really long distance and really adds to the complexity of your care by the time that you get there. So to be able to stop here in Machias, get some emergency care, get some medications on board, get some definitive diagnostics and diagnoses really makes a difference in patients' outcome and their quality of life after those emergency events.
Hi, my name is Monique Mills, and I am the Vice President of Quality at Down East Community Hospital. I've been at Down East for more than 15 years, and I carry my certification in infection prevention. We are very honored to receive this award. It's very meaningful and heartfelt. Our staff have gone above and beyond in dealing with the pandemic and all the new requirements that were coming out daily to weekly, and sometimes more frequently than that. We have ensured safe patient care while working to help bring vaccinations to Washington County. DECH has been able to provide ongoing high-quality care during this pandemic due to our community support and constant support from our staff during these difficult times. Thank you, and we appreciate all of you.